Union and union all operator. In this video, we will learn what is union operator and how it works with select statement, and union all operator and how it works with select statement. So what is union operator? The SQL Server union operator is used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements. It removes duplicate rows between the various select statements. Each select statement within the union operator must have the same number of columns in result set with similar data types. So here we have syntax of union operator. Select expression 1, expression 2 and n number of expression you can pass from here from tables, then where condition, which is optional, then union operator, then select expression 1, expression 2 and n number of expression you can pass here, then from tables, then where condition, which is optional. So whenever you writing expression for select statements, always remember the number of expressions and the data type of these expression must be same in both statements. So let's see how can we use union operator in SQL Server. Now let's open new query editor, then select database, and inside this database we have table dbo.location and production.location. Alright, so we will use these two tables for union operator, but before that let's check data of these tables. So select star from production dot location. Now select this and execute this. So we have all these records. We have 14 records in this table. Select star from dbo.location. Alright, select this and execute this. So here you will find we have 21 rows in this table. Now we will use union operator for these two tables. So select from dbo.location. Alright, and here we will write selected columns name, location ID, comma, name, then union, select location ID, name from production dot location. Alright, so our query is select location ID name from dbo.location, then union, select location ID name from production.location. Now select this and execute this. So these are the records we have common between these two tables, and it's not included duplicate values. Alright, so how union works? So union will fetch all the records from both statements and returns it in a single result set, and it will not include duplicate values of these two columns. Now if you want to apply filter for these records, so you can do that too. So here I'll use where clause, where location ID between 10 and 40. Alright, I use this same condition for the next statement as well. Now select this and execute this. So here we got only 10 to 40 location IDs. Alright, so this is how you can work with union operator. Union all operator. So what is union all operator? The union operator selects only duplicate rows by default. To allow duplicate rows, use union all. It means it will include all the records from both statements, and it will include duplicate values as well. So here we have syntax of union all. Select then expression 1, expression 2 and then n number of expression from tables where conditions. Union all operator. Select expression 1, expression 2, and then a number of expression you can write here from tables where conditions. So where condition is optional in both case, and whenever you write expression for these statements, always remember that number of expressions and data type must be matched in both statements. So let's see how union all works in SQL Server. So here we will use again these two tables. Paste here. Right now I'm removing this condition. Alright, and then union all. Now select this and execute this. So here you can see it fetched 35 rows. So it fetched 35 rows, and here you will find duplicate values as well. So when you work with union all, it fetch all the records including duplicate rows. And if you want to apply filter on these records, so you can apply that too. So here where availability 0.0, copy this and paste here. Alright, now select this and again execute this. So here you can see now these are the records where availability is not 0.0. If you want to include this availability column, you can include that too. So alright, now again select this and execute this. Right, so here you will find there is no 0.0 value in availability. So this is how union all works. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is union and union all operator and how these both work with SQL statement. Thank you.